Hello, my name is Chip Kent from Laurel Metal Products. We manufacture the Laurel brand drop shelf vending machines. I'm here today to show you how to repair the coin mechanism that is in our most common mechanical single column machine, which we call our model 2100. So today I'm here to show you how we take these apart and repair them and replace certain key components. The first two items that we're going to replace, the coin return button and the pull handle. And I'll take those off now. The coin return button is just a retaining clip. 2 screws hold the pull handle. All right, I've removed the pull handle. The first thing that we do is inspect the pull handle, the knob especially, for the brass inlay to make sure it's still in there and to make sure that the knob is not cracked or worn or broken bad. It's very important for it to look nice on the outside of a machine, so when the customer walks up, he can see it, that it's in good shape. All right, the pull handle, which we just discussed, when it's removed, there's 2 key components that we are going to replace. They're both inexpensive but very important. The ratchet and the lock lever. The lock lever has a small bushing inside of it. Both will be replaced. Removing the final screw to take the ratchet off. And I will keep this screw and spacer together because we will be needing it when we replace the ratchet. So what I have removed is the ratchet, part number 2100-115. The lock lever that was right behind it is part number 2100-116. Now, on the other side is a part we call the coin platform. Typically it's not a wear item, we'd never replace it, but we do want to make it certain that it does move freely, it's not binding, and it does close flush on the bottom. If it is twisted, and I will forcibly twist it here, possibly you can see there's space on this side. We want the bottom to close flush on the frame. You can use your hand to actually bend this so that it closes flush against the bottom frame. The quarters sit on this item here. The coin platform, not replaced. Now, to replace the ratchet, on the other side, we insert the bushing in the channel. We place the ratchet with this hole onto that bushing. Hold it tightly, turn it over, because we're going to put the screw, lift up the platform. We are going to put the screw in to start to reassemble the ratchet. All right, now that we have the first screw into the ratchet, it's not necessary to tighten yet, not until we get the other side finished. Flip it back over. There was a small spacer that came off from under the pull handle. That goes up on the front screw of the ratchet on this side. Insert the pull handle. Front screw. So what I've done is I've reinserted the 2 screws of the pull handle back in the ratchet, and this is the time to tighten these 2 and the center one on the ratchet. Reattach the spring to the round stud. The nylon hex nut goes on next, right here. That completes the replacement parts. Now what we do is typically we do a small amount of grease in the key area that we grease is right in the main channel of where the handle pulls back and forth. Put a little bit of grease in there, a little on top of the screw head. Also in the coin acceptor up top, hinge open, a small amount of grease right on this round stud that is part of the coin return system. Right on the tip of that. And that completes the repair. This is time now to put in quarters and test it and make sure it operates smoothly. After you see this today, you can rebuild it yourself, or options are to purchase a new one from Kleen-Rite Corp. This is commonly referred to as the Laurel $1 coin mechanism. You can also look at our website, laurelmetal.com, get information on this unit and parts that are available that I will mention today.